Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Helgiod and today you're welcome to my space. It's a very momentary day and I think it's worth it because I'm going to be talking to you about CoinW PropW account. You heard me right. Well, I know you might have been wondering with the name CoinW, what could that mean? The thing is, it's very important for you to know that now, I don't know if you're not aware that crypto platforms now have prop firms, and CoinW is leading on that. Now, think of this. If you're like me, who actually have learned one or two things about technical analysis, and you've been looking for a platform to execute your skills and try out your hands on where you can potentially get earning over what you have learned, I think you've found the platform. CoinW it is. Now this is it. I'm going to be showing you how you can navigate your way from the CoinW's homepage. What you see on your screen is a CoinW's homepage, and from whence you can navigate to the prop account. So it's PropW, right? Just from the name CoinW, you have PropW, and so you just want to move your cursor around if you're using the web interface, and then you move all around to where you've got more, and then just like that, leveraging your cursor, you get over to where you find PropW. You click on that and then boom, the whole interface pops open right before your very face. But wait, there's something I think it's magical about this product called PropW. It's more like answering questions such as, oh, I've learned trading and how do I begin to make the most of that with the little fundings I've got. I think CoinW now gets you covered with the provision of a funding, right, and the provision of a trading platform. So the magics CoinW have just cooked up includes funding provision and platform provision, and it doesn't just end there. I mean, the opportunity is very, very numerous. You want to sit back and enjoy this video. We hope to keep it very short and also walk you down through how you can actually get over on this. And again, stay tuned. Now you're welcome. I think I'm going to be showing you this. First off, this is a web page of the prop account, and then you know that prop accounts gives you a whole lot of leverage. That of CoinW is quite different in that it is a one-stop trading hub. I will explain. CoinW trading platform gives you a hedge, right? Unlike other trading prop platforms, it is your one-stop trading hub that makes your orders, the ones you place while trading, and the feel of making trade execution very seamless. That aside, it leverages enhanced trading mechanics in this sense. It leverages enhanced trading mechanics in this sense. You can go as far as a 5 times leverage on a trade. Well, I'm going to be showing you one of those things which I think makes this also much more interesting. For example, I'm going to be showing you what make CoinW also distinct in that your funds cannot get mixed up with the fund you got for trading the prop account. I'm going to explain, just stay with me. Let's just keep going. Now, it also offers you unlimited capital growth in that if you were to go on with the $100 trade on your normal account, you can actually use that to get over 5x. What am I even saying? I'm talking of like a whole whooping 20x, right? A $100 account getting you about $10,000 account. It's literally you getting some almost 100x capital size. So this is it. It provides you an opportunity, an endless opportunity to get hands-on experience and a whole relief of executing your trading strategy with a resting assurance in the size of the capital you've now got. And so I tell you, your skill now, your trading skills now got a place to breathe. So the truth is, CoinW PropW now gives you a breathing space to take some trades and relax within the confines of risk management. It also brings premium crypto trading resources that help revolutionize your trading idea in a way and also boost your strategy. And I'm going to be speaking more on this where we continue, because the truth is, more trading principles the prop firm bring out, right, brings or makes traders to be overconscious. But I think in a way you get to also have resources that gives you boosting morals to keep on the challenge and of course see to the completion. So that brings also, how do you become a PropW trader? Number one, The first step you've got is to select a challenge mode. I'm going to be showing you something before I come back on these 3 steps, obviously, but it is these I'm going to show you. There are 2 challenge modes. Yes. Am I not trading prop account? How is this a challenge? It's a challenge because trusting or entrusting funds into traders would be you passing some tests of your trading skills, some tests of risk management, and all of these tests brings you to being a qualified PropW funded trader. Now this is it. There are 2 modes, standard mode and the hard mode. All of these have their own varieties. If you come to under the standard mode, you get the starter package, the intermediate package, the advanced package, and of course the expert package. All of them have their varieties in pricing. Also for the experts, you get that for an audition fee of 300 USDT, and guess what, buying this is just literally you funding your CoinW account, which is something you can easily do by transferring your fund over to CoinW, and you seamlessly do that by on-chain deposit or maybe peer-to-peer transactions. That's very easy. I made a video on the overview of CoinW. I think I might have to link this video under this YouTube. But now this is where we are going to. It gets more interesting because under the standard mode, you can start your prop journey, right? Being a funded trader with just 50 US dollars. You heard me right. I have done that, and I tell you, it was very easy to get started. And I think that's the point. We're going to be going there, right? So the other mode is the hard mode, where the starter package, right, is 80 USDT, but they get 10,000 USDT. The hard mode has its own variety that makes it very unique from the standard mode, and it's in the, what do I call this now, the demands, right, placed on those trading the hard mode. For example, under the hard mode, the profit share is up to 80% and the profit target is 10%, with a maximum daily drawdown, maximum daily loss, that's drawdown of 4%, meaning if you got a $10,000 account, doing the mathematics, a 4% maximum daily drawdown would imply you shouldn't go above $400 stop loss it on your account. Whereas on the standard mode account, you have a 5% daily drawdown, which tells you that there is this somewhat kind of flexibility and ease on those who are trading standard mode, and of course they get a profit. Their target as profit is 8%. So that implies for you to pass the first test or the first step, you just have to get a $400 profit on a $5,000 starter account, or a $800 profit on a $10,000 starter account, unlike the hard mode where you have to get a $1,000 profits, right, 10% on a $10,000 starter account, and that's very, very interesting. Aside from that, I think you really have other things similar. Either you're on hard mode or standard mode, you still get a share profit of a whooping 80% profit share. I think that's very, very interesting, whichever mode you've got, and that's just it. I think the highest offer you could get is a 200 USDT funded account, and that's you buying that or additioning that with 960 on the hard mode, whereas on standard mode you get that you get 100,000 USDT for 500 USDT. You get $100,000 funded account with $500 on a standard mode. I think standard mode has really been appealing to me because I actually still use the standard mode 25k account. So I think that's very much what it is, and I think we need to come back to the steps. The first step is you passing the challenge 1, then you pass challenge 2, and then the third step, which isn't a step literally, but of course is that you get funded. When you pass the first phase of the test, you get let's say $10,000 starter package from hard mode, and then you pass the expected 10%, $1,000 profit within the stipulated time, and the next thing you get over to the second challenge, you wager your options, and then you stick to the rule with appropriate risk management. You pass the second test, guys, you will be funded with a live $10,000 account as a prop trader with just $80 on hard mode. I think that's something, and the same goes for $50 for 5,000 USD funded account. Just pass phase 1 and phase 2 with expected profit target and within the minimal risk. I tell you, you are good to go, and then you will be funded as a PropW trader. Guess what? It only gets interesting because now you can actually own up your skill, earn a living, and also improve the quality of your of your trades by trading prop accounts. Much more, once you begin to get more profit, you can actually get more prop accounts. I tell you, it's more interesting, and it just opens more and more when you begin to own up. Now that is the basic, right, as regard what prop account is, or PropW trading is on CoinW. Now let's sign up. The thing is, for you to get started, you need to sign up. I'm going to be signing in because I already have an account here, and it's simply this. You input your email, all right, then you just you just get that done, apologies, and then you sign in. Then I'm gonna verify, because yeah, then I've logged in. Now hold up, this is it. You want to see that there is a current prop account going on right live. It's still in challenge phase 1. Yeah, I'm just going to be walking you through the whole interface of how to get started. So when you click on get started like this, all right, you would see, you would see where you get to make the purchase. Either you're going for a standard mode, let me zoom on that, like this, standard, this, or you're going on a add mode, this, right? So whichever mode you want to go for, you just take that. For a standard mode, the phase 1 target profit 8%, and the phase 2 is 5%. Very cheap, unlike ad mode where you get 10% first and then 5% second. So it's quite, I would say, tough for ad mode relatively, right? It all depends on the form of trading style you use and how you trade. So it all depends on traders, and that's how you go. Then the payment is drawn from your fund. If you're going for a 5,000 funded account starter package, you get it drawn from your money within your spot account. You can always deposit, like I mentioned, and that's something you can seamlessly do over on-chain deposits. Simply choose the coin, choose the of course USDT or whichever coin is going to be, and then choose the network. TRC20 often, or BRC20, depending on where you've got your fund, and then you make the whole deposit, and then you get it over. You accept, you pay seamlessly, you get it over. I want to bring you to the dashboard. I've already shown us the dashboard. I'm going to be showing you the trading interface. Meanwhile, I would also make more emphasis on something. Look at this right now. This is an account, right? And that's how you get the overview of what's been going on. The trading days has been more than 5, right, on this account, right? As you can see, the maximum daily loss is literally well past, right? And that's been beautiful. And the maximum trailing drawdown, like I've done this way, interesting. So that implies that the account has been sort of a little bit low, but target profit is like 2,000 on this 25k account, and then I think that's pretty much what it is. Come here, let me show you what the trading interface looks like, and how your funds on the prop account will never get mixed up with your funds on your normal account. This is it. The USD, or the dollars you'll be provided on the CoinW prop account would be in USDP, because it's PropW and you see the P there. So that means the fund is often seen like this, right? I don't know if you get to see that. I don't know if we got some distortion whatsoever. And so now you get to see this, right? Interestingly, that yeah, this is it. This is what you get to see, isn't it? And then you find your interface like this, more like every other trading platform. You get your chart, you get your limits, you get your markets, you get your fundings somewhere around the available right there, and then you get to do your trades. I think that's pretty much what it is about, and it is interesting. It is interesting in that you can always analyze the market right on chart without going back and forth, and that's all I've got to say about this account and then prop trading on PropW. I think it's only becoming more interesting, and people are beginning to find it more easier to use, and that's pretty much how to go about CoinW prop account. It gives you a lot of access, leverage, and of course relief when it comes to trading, and provides you a massive offer, all right, to own up and to earn massively with a minimal funding. So I think the magics that has been meshed up or cooked into this beautiful product called PropW really appeals to everyone, no matter your level of trading, either you're a professional trader, experienced trader, intermediate trader, or entry-level trader. So I think this is what it is. Get your mind together, do this, and I tell you, you're not going to regret it. Stay safe, and of course, don't forget to apply your risk management mentality when trading. Trading is very volatile, and of course, I'll say stay safe. Peace out. Look forward to the next video, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. The link to purchasing your prop account will be provided under this video. Peace. Bye. Stay safe.